Hello MYP3. We are going to look at how do we find equation of a straight line. The formula for finding the equation of a straight line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So the two things that you will need to find the equation of a line is your gradient. I hope you remember that the symbol for the gradient that we use is m. So you will need the value of your gradient and you will need coordinate of any one point, a coordinate. So this x1 will go in place of x1 there. The first x coordinate will go there. The y coordinate will go there. And once you simplify, you will end up as an equation which will look like y is equals to mx plus c. Right? Your final answer will be in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, we are going to look at an example. So to find the equation of a line, that's my formula, and you will need the formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. To find the equation, you will need the gradient and coordinate of a point. So first thing, the 2 points that are given to us, and we are going to find the gradient of that straight line, right? You already know my formula to find the gradient is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That was the first activity you started the term with, right? So once I label, when you label, this will become your x1, y1, and this will become your x2 and y2. So y2 minus y1, 1 minus 5, there you go, and 0 minus 3. And once you simplify, I'll have a negative 4 and a negative 3 at the bottom, which will simplify to 4 upon 3. So that's my gradient there. And coordinate of the point, you can take any one of the two. So I've just taken the first one. That's my x1 and y1. Right? Once we substitute, so y minus y1, y minus 5 is equals to m, which is 4 over 3 into x minus 3. I'll have to expand my bracket. There you go. And then it will become 4x upon 3. And once you multiply these two, we have a negative 4. Since we want to change it to the form y is equals to mx plus c, so I'll have to just have a y on this side. This minus 5 will come to this side as plus 5. Right? And when this is simplified, you have the equation 4 upon 3x plus 1. Let's look at another example on finding the equation of a line. So once again, my formula, you'll need the gradient as well and coordinate of a point. So gradient that I found out, you already know how to find the gradient, or sometimes in the questions the gradients are given. If not, then you will be using the formula for finding the gradient and coordinate of a point. You will substitute in the equation. So y minus, this is negative 4, then I'll have a negative 4 here. My gradient into x minus, this is 0, then I'll have a 0 here. So this 2 minus sign will simplify to a plus 4. Once I expand, I have 2x minus 7x. And when you multiply with a 0, you get a 0. So this plus 4 will come on this side as a minus 4. And my final answer is y is equals to 2x minus 7.